Gracie, Leonore, Bachelor of Science, International Rescue and Relief, emphasis in pre-position assistance, magna cum laude.
My mom was a nurse. She really inspired me to be something medically inclined, but also to live a life of service as she does. And she was my biggest supporter, and she believed in me a lot. And as soon as I said, I think I want to be a PA, she was like, we're going to make that happen, and we're going to do it together. I decided to visit Union in person, and I came here and I saw the PA building, and I saw IRR building, and they're together. They're right next to each other, and I was like, one day, I think that's going to be me. And I have a picture of myself outside. I knew it was going to be hard, for sure, to get all the pieces together to be able to get in. IRR was a big help with that, and getting lots of experience beforehand, medically. And I knew that the classes were going to be hard. I knew it, but I knew that I could do it also. Like, anything that I put my mind to, I'm going to work hard to get it done. And I had a lot of professors to help me out. Dr. Burton Page, she was such a help to me. She inspires me so much. She's so smart, and she's a great teacher. We would have these like study sessions together when I was taking physiology, advanced physiology. And we would go over concepts, and she would help me get ready for the test. But also we would just talk about PA school and how to prepare for that, and also just life, and we'd pray together and we'd talk about our experiences. So in IRR, we do this thing called summer program. It's pretty tough. It's 5 weeks, and you get your technical rope rescue certification, your swift water certification. You learn about search and rescue, and you do many different difficult things. But all of these things are to teach you about true grit, which is a big IRR thing that we like to say, grow your true grit. Swift water rescue was probably the most difficult thing for me personally. You have to go down these rapids, and doing all of those rescues, I mean, it's scary, but it also grows your true grit, for sure.
Hey! We right now are at a waterfall on Mount Malanje. We just took a day hike from the hut we were staying at, the Chombe hut, and because we couldn't go climb the peak today because it's pretty bad weather right now. But it's still good enough that we can swim in this waterfall. Yay!
It's warm enough to get cold. Yay!
When we were in Malawi, we had to climb Mount Malanje. We did a 6-day backpacking trip, and that was really difficult. Lots of straight up, straight down, increase in elevation, decrease in elevation, rain and sun, and long days and many miles, but it was so worth it when you get to the top and you can see this amazing view and the sense of accomplishment knowing that you did that, you know? I feel like it's similar in college, you know? There's lots of ups and downs and twists and turns, and good times and bad times, but in the end, it's so worth it once you get through to your career and you feel really accomplished knowing that you did that, you persevered.